All right. Up till now, we classified integers in um, positive and negative, but now there is another category that is of even and odd integers. Now, any number that is a multiple of 2, you would call that number even number. So even numbers में हमारे पास आ रहे हैं 2 है, 4 है, 6 है, 8 है. और odd numbers तो मतलब आपके पास जो भी नंबर है ना, फॉर एग्जाम्पल 24, 2 itself is an even number, 4 is an even number. लेकिन अगर आपके पास इस तरह से नंबर हो 2, 3, 7, 8, any number that ends with any of these, that would be called even number. और उसके बाद odd numbers में हमारे पास आ रहे हैं 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. ये सारे odd numbers हैं. ये खुद भी odd numbers हैं. उसके अलावा जो भी number आपके पास होगा जो कि इनमें से किसी एक पे जिसका unit digit इनमें से कोई एक होगा, we'll call that number odd number. But I did not include 0 in it. Why? अब positive or negative integers के case में I said 0 is neither a positive integer nor a negative integer. But what about even and odd? Would 0 be classified as even or odd? Right. So we call 0 an even number. 0 जो है वो even number होगा. It's neither positive nor negative, but it's an even number. Alright. So 24 is an even number. 20 is an even number. 42 is an even number. 2 is an even number. 58 is an even number. So any number ending with any of these 5 numbers would be an even number. And any number ending with any of these 5 numbers would be an odd number. Alright. Next we have a general classification of even and odd numbers. Alright. अब since I said कि कोई भी number जो 2 का multiple होता है we call that number even number. तो इसकी एक general representation है that is 2n. This n can be any integer 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And notice how I said integer. इसका मतलब है कि आप -1, -2, -3 up to so on consider कर सकते हैं. एक नंबर आपके पास -2, -3, -4, -5 ये जो नंबर्स हैं इनको भी हम इवन और ऑड क्लासीफाई कर सकते हैं. यानी कि साइंस जो है उनको हम कंसिडर नहीं करेंगे, बट इन जनरल जो कि इवन की डेफिनेशन होती है वही आपकी अप्लाई होगी अगर आपके पास नंबर नेगेटिव है. तो -4 इज़ एन इवन नंबर, -5 इज़ एन ऑड नंबर, -6 इज़ एन इवन नंबर, -7 इज़ एन ऑड नंबर. So any integer when multiplied with 2 gives an even number. This is the general representation of even number. For example, 2 into 0 would give you 2. Sorry, 0. That's an even number. 2 into 1 would give you 2. That is an even number. 2 into 2 would give you an even number. Similarly, 2 into -1 is equal to -2. That would give you an even number. 2 into -2 is equal to -4. That's an even number as well. Talking about odd numbers. अब odd numbers की general representation है 2n plus 1. यहाँ पे आप कुछ भी पुट करते हो n को, कोई भी इंटीजर 0, 1, 2 up to so on, -1, -2 up to so on, you would be getting an odd number. For example, if I put 0 here, it gives 1.